Okay, look at the next question. Third question, 3.1, 10th standard maths algebra, 3.1 exercise, third sum. Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. One half of her grandfather's age plus one third of her grandfather's age plus one fourth of the Vani's age is 65. If 4 years ago Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they all now? So your question is the present age. How old are their ages all now? That is the present age is the question. So first find the ages. Let the ages be present ages of Vani, father, and then grandfather. Let there be x, y and z. Mark it as x, y and z. Next, what is given? Vani, her father and grandfather have the average of age of 53. Average means add up all their age, x plus y plus z by 3. Average means number by 3, total by 3. Their average is 53. It is given average is 53. Right? Average 53. So write 53 here. Now, what is it? X plus y plus z. The 3 multiplied to the other side. 159. Let it be the first equation. Next, what is given? One half of her grandfather's age. So grandfather's age, what we have taken it as z. That is z by 2. Half of z. Z by 2. And plus one third of her father's age. Father we have taken it as age as y by 3. Then plus, okay, plus one fourth of Vani's age. That is Vani's age is x by 4. One fourth of the age is x by 4. So that answer is given as 65. So from this find the equation. LCM, take LCM of this implies take LCM of the number 12. Right? Here 4 becomes 3. 4 into 3, 3 into 4, 2 into 6. So numerator has 4, first x becomes 3x, y becomes 4y and z becomes 6z. This is equals to 65. Now 12 multiply with this 65. So get, what is the equation? 3x plus 4y plus 6z equals to 65 into 12. That is 780. Let it be your second equation. So what is the first equation? X plus y plus z is equal to 159. Your second equation, 3x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 780. See again one more clue is given. What is it? 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Ago means before. Subtract it. Okay. Vani's grandfather was 4 times. What it is given? 4 times. Grandfathers we have taken as z. That means z minus 4. Okay. You are going to calculate now z minus 4. 4 years ago, Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani. That means 4 times 4 multiply. Vani's age we have taken as x minus 4. 4 years ago, before. So from this you calculate what is here. 4 into x, 4x. Then 4 into 4, 16. This one is z minus 4. Now bring all the term to one side. Okay. 4x minus z minus 16. This 4 also, z and 4 you are bringing to the other side. So this plus 4 becomes. So now the equation becomes 4x minus z minus 12 is equals to 0, or 4x minus z equals to 12. Let this be your third equation. So you got first equation, second equation, third equation. From these 3 equations you find the x, y, z. That is what your present age. That is the question. What is the present age? We have taken it as a x, y, z. That is what you are going to find it now. Okay. Now you have got the equations x, y, z, right? First equation, x plus y plus 3x 4y plus 6z equals to 780 is what second equation. First equation is x plus y plus z is equals to 159. That is your first equation. And your third equation, 4x minus z is equals to 12. That is your third equation. From these three equations, you solve the remaining x, y, z. Okay. Now, solving the 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. What is it? First equation has x, y, z. The second equation has 3x, 4y. So here the third equation has only x and z. So you have to cancel the y term. That means first equation multiply by 4 because the second equation has 4y. So you need to multiply the first equation by 4. So the equation becomes 4x plus 4y plus 4z equals to 159 multiplied by 4. 159 multiplied by 4, that is 636. You get answer 636. 9 4s are 36, 3 remainder, 5 4s are 20, 2 remain, 20 plus 3, 23, 2 remainder and 1 4. 636. Now your second equation here, 3x, 4y, 6z equals to 780. Now solve it, subtract it. Change the sign, cancel the y term, 4 minus 3x, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 780 minus 636, minus of, you will get 144. So x minus 2z is equals to minus 144. Let this be your fourth equation. Now solving this third and fourth, both has x and z terms. So not solving the two equation, you will get the any one of the x or z. So we will cancel that z term. That means multiply the third equation by 2. So what you will get? 4 into 2, 8x, 2 into z, 2z, 12 into 2, 24. Now that fourth equation, again write it as it is, x minus 2z is equals to minus 144. Now subtracting the terms, change the sign, do the subtraction means change the sign. Plus 2z minus 2z get cancelled. 8 minus 1, 7x. 7x is equal to these two plus only, add it, 168. So your x will be 168 divided by 7, which is equal to 24. So your x answer is 24. That means Bonnie age, x we have taken as Bonnie age, that is 24. From this x you find, see here any one of the equation, substitute in 4. X in 4. That means x minus 2z is minus 144. That means 24 minus 2 into z is equal to minus 144. Right? 2z is equal to minus 144 minus 24. That is minus 168. So minus 2z is equal to 168. Minus minus cancel. Your z is 168 by 2. That is 84. So your z is 84 now. So you got your x, you got your z. Now you have to find your y. Now substitute that x and z in first equation. What is your first equation? X plus y plus z is equals to 159. Substitute in that. Your x is 24. Your y is, have to find it, z is 84. That is equal to 159. Right? Add up these two. Y plus 108 is equals to 159. So your y is 159 minus 108, which is again equal to 51. So your y is 51. So you got your x, you got your y, you have got your z. Set? Right? That x we have taken it as 1 is age. That is what your x 24. Father age. That is what your y, which is 51. And then grandfather age. That is what your AZ, which is 84. So you need to find that X, Y, Z. One is age, grandfather age and father's age.